Hi guys, I'm going to be playing Minecraft for my second time. So, oh god, I'm liking it so much. I'm just going to chop down some trees for wood. Oh my god, that was really I'm gonna attack to ping. Ping is. What is this? Okay. Wait. Just wait. Okay, let's just go for I'm gonna open this chest. This is our first chest. And let's see what we get. Revolver on the first day? Is this a dream? Because I feel like because I've never oh, chest. A good axe? We're going to if you guys are wondering why I'm really good, even though it's really my second time playing, it's because this is not the device I normally play on. And I've watched YouTube videos and I know how to. Because I played on my other device. Yeah. Makes sense. Oh, okay, gotcha. Come on. Because I have no idea how I'm playing this. How am I just going to take 2 seconds? What are you doing? So I don't know on or at anything. That's whatever makes sense, I guess. Portrait of today. He's a code. He followed me and goes. to like day 13 by myself. Oh wait, I forgot the sun died a lot of things for that. Oh my god. Biosphere. Fuel canister, I'll take that. No, I hope it will be enough. Is there one? Yeah. Oh my god. Why is there a steak in there? Why are you hearing noise like a mile away? Sorry that I paused. Not want to eat because I'm hungry. What is that? A scorpion shell? I've never heard of that. So yeah, I have to pause again. I'm gonna save the first kid, but I'll get this chest first. I have this. Scrap. Oh my god, I just ran to Drake. Oh my god, there's a roof right there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh my god. So if that freaking wolf comes next to me again, I'm gonna puke because it smells bad. Oh my god, I missed the shot. Come here. hope no one takes that wolf pack, because I want that wolf pack to be mine. Oh, there's another wolf pack. Oh yeah, where's the lost? What's the lost? What the hell? Oh, that was the lost. I'm here. Okay, chest. Let's see what I get. Wolves can spawn here during the night, so just gonna be very careful. I'm gonna bring this back to the base. No one needs this. Okay. Stay. Oh my god, stay. Come with me. Where's the campfire? Oh, there it is. I'll just put it put it back at base. And just take all go back to base. No, don't build a shelf base. I don't really like shelf base. Stop, don't build a shelf base. Why is my steak on the shelf? No, I'm going out lag. Okay, I'm hungry. Who does this? What is their names? Oh, I just went into a trigger. Oh, that's a lot again. Something is coming to our campfire. Oh, no! Don't come to our campfire. I'm gonna go out exploring. Oh my god. I'm good at fishing. No, I'm not good at fishing in 99 nights. In 99 nights, I never thought I was good at fishing in real life. I'm still not good at fishing in real life. I've never went fishing before in my entire life. But I really want to go fishing one day. Oh, no. Okay. I have to get ready for this wolf, because it's gonna come and attack me. Oh wait, oh my god, I didn't even notice it. I thought it was hiding in the other one, but it's in this room. A broken life away. Wait for the strong flashlight. Oh, the rifle! I'll take it. I'll take it any day. A piece of cake. Delicious. Oh, some coal. And we're going to get back to base. Because we don't want to die. Wait, I mean, just open that chest first. You, wolf, leave me alone. Okay, good. Left me alone, because I said. Leave me alone! Actually, no, I want a fuel canister. I'm coming back. Okay. Oh, it's night time. Oh, there's rifle ammo. Ha ha ha. It's only me and girl. Ah, oh my god. That cultist just snuck up on me. Girl, help me. Girl, help me. Oh, good. She's helping. Oh shoot, I have chairs. Don't build a wood rain storage. I want to make it to day 99. Good. If it's me left in then I'm gonna die. Oh yeah, the portrait is here. Yeah. Oh, let's go away. Okay. There's a chest. I'm gonna go out hunting tonight. Ah. Get away from me. No, do not attack me. Get away from me. I just want to live my life and go in the day. Get away from me. Get away from me. Oh shoot, there's an alcohol. Oh shoot, there's an inside. Nice! Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away. Oh, for me? Oh my god. I just want the pelt. That's all. I don't want a pelt. Okay, there's my isn't. Okay, if you don't help me. Oh, shoot. The stupid tree. No, I'm gonna have to kill this one with my own hands. Oh, did it just fall down? Okay. Good. What the hell? Meow, meow, you may like this is. No zero ammo. No. I should have done my cutscenes. When his wall open up. Get away from me. Didn't even get a pelt. Oh wait, how bad is that? 45 seconds? Oh my god, you stupid dumb. Ha! No, you said. I didn't even get an alcohol shirt. Oh damn, I'm hungry. I don't care. I'm gonna eat mine without cooking it. Yeah. Oh my god, another wolf. Why? Get away from me. This is making my life harder. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Ram, get away. Here, get alive, huh? I'm gonna pick up all this meat. I didn't even get a pelt. My teammate isn't just building a base. She's not even doing anything. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, I forgot. Oh, meat. Okay. Here's a hospital. Hospital. Oh, I forgot about you. Bandage. Yay, best day ever. Ooh, rifle ammo. I just want your pelt. Is that too much to ask for? What the hell? What? Not die. Oh my god, I just want your pelt. I don't want anything else from you other than your pelt. Come on. Oh my god. I quit. I literally quit. I'm not even gonna bother anymore. Why am I lagging so much? Okay, I've got a teammate. I've got a child. Oh my god, child berries. No. Oh my god, how did I do that? How is it only day 16? It's been 25 minutes. Come on, let's go. Yeah, I've been getting out, saving children. Well, you have been just getting scrap and wood, so you can build a freaking shelf base. We don't need shelf bases now. We don't need shelf. Oh my god, what the hell? See, this is why we didn't build a shelf. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. I want to eat it. Oh no. What is it called again? A chest. A chest. Oh wait, I'm not actually no, I don't really care. I don't even have a flashlight. What am I doing? Okay, it's finally morning and now. Oh, I survived 1 day third. Did you just chop a tree on me? On top of me? Okay, I'm not revealing my name. Yeah. Okay, my name is just gonna be. I don't know. I can't think of a full name. So I don't want to reveal my real name. Okay, my fake name is gonna be Sarah. Sarah, yeah, I'm Sarah. Yeah. Actually, no, Pixie, because that's the only name I can think of. Actually. But Sarah, I don't know. Actually, I don't have a name. My name is. Oh, hey, field kind of stuff. Oh my god, there's like 1,000 moves. Get away from me. Don't chase me. Die! Oh my god. I'm just too pretty. Oh no, I don't want to show my real kind of stuff. Okay, this just is walking into grass. Isn't that just so annoying? So I'm gonna get the old obtaining fruit. I'm gonna obtain an outfit with, but I need to upgrade my obtaining fruit first before I do that. Wait, what did I just get? Oh, I got revolver ammo. I'm starting to think I have short-term memory loss because I forget everything I did just like a few seconds ago. Ooh, something. Oh, I got in that house to get a chest. Oh my god, my lag. Are you actually serious? Are you serious why my camera do this? Shoot. Get away from me. Get! Oh my god, there's like a billion apples. Is it chasing me? Good. How? Oh. No, I'm going no, I'm going back to base. I really do not want to die. Even though I have 2 new kits and 2 bandages. I do not want to die. I'm starving. Oh my god, I'll just eat a berry, oh my god, eat a carrot. I'm about to die. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm so close to base. I'm literally like so close to base. Please, no, don't die on me right now. Yes! Yes! Eat. I'm having a feast right here. Okay, we're gonna wait until morning. I'm gonna pause that. Anyways guys, I'm not gonna face reveal until we hit 50 million subscribers.